Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little Too Simple. Who doesn't want to be a millionaire? In fact, there are more than 20 million millionaires in the United States alone. It's true that some millionaires are extremely popular and capture the attention of the press, which often makes it seem as if becoming a millionaire is impossible for everyday people. But the truth is, you don't need to develop the next tech unicorn or be a celebrity to become a millionaire. In reality, most millionaires are regular people, and most of them don't bring home 6 or 7-figure salaries. With a bit of common sense and discipline, anyone can become a millionaire on an average income. But before we tell you how, we want to clarify that this video is made entirely for educational and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial advice of any kind. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Now, let's roll. The easiest way to become a millionaire is to start early and take advantage of the power of compounding. Say you're 20 years old. If you contribute $500 every month to an individual retirement account, IRA, for 40 years, your total investment would be $240,000. But because of compounding, that investment could grow to more than $1.37 million even at just a 7% rate of return. That means you'd be a millionaire by age 57, just by saving $500 a month. Of course, we know it's easier said than done. Investing $500 consistently for 4 decades requires discipline. Compounding only works long term. But remember, Warren Buffett earned 99.9% of his wealth after age 52 because compounding takes time to show results. He's living proof that compounding is real and it works. Many people think of debt as a monster that destroys lives. And yes, credit card debt is a nightmare trap. If you want to know how to escape it, check out our video on that topic, link on the top right corner of your screen. But not all debt is bad. There's such a thing as good debt. Good debt is when you borrow money to make an investment that gives you returns greater than the interest you're paying. For example, a housing mortgage is often a form of good debt, except for unusual events like the 2008 crisis. Even billionaires today have hundreds of millions or even billions in good debt. Real estate investing is one example, but there are many other ways of taking on good debt that people don't usually know about. Let us know in the comments if you'd like a video on different kinds of good debt. We'd be happy to make one. If you want to reach millionaire status faster, you must understand and use good debt to your advantage. People often say, without risk, there is no reward. But most confuse uncertainty with risk. Financially successful individuals are experts at minimizing risk while managing uncertainty. This approach is called taking calculated risks. The mantra for becoming a millionaire is to take calculated risks, investments that have potential for steady growth, provide visibility of sustainable profit, offer clarity on leverage. As simple as it sounds, if you want to become a millionaire, you need to increase your income. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest. Today, there are more opportunities than ever. Freelancing, side hustles, upskilling for a better paying job. Find what works for you, and use that extra income to save and invest, helping you reach your millionaire goal faster. Becoming a millionaire has less to do with how much you earn and more to do with how much you save. Without savings, you can't build capital to invest, and without investment, your money won't work for you. So saving is the foundation of wealth. One of the biggest traps is lifestyle inflation, spending more just because you earn more. For example, say you live in a $1,000 per month apartment in a great location. You get a raise and move to a $1,500 per month apartment. Did you really need to move? If you want to become a millionaire, resist lifestyle inflation. Instead of spending more just because you can, save and invest more. This will get you to your financial goals faster. Financial planning can be stressful. There are too many options, too many unknowns. In fact, 60% of working people feel uneasy about financial planning, and only 25% of Americans feel confident that they're doing it right. Yet only 29% work with a financial advisor, while 65% say they aren't getting any advice at all. Unless you're a financial expert, it's worth working with a qualified financial advisor. They can help you choose investments, set up a budget, make a plan to reach your goals. We know, these things are easier said than done. If it were easy, everyone would be a millionaire. It's hard, but not impossible. With the right planning, commitment, and discipline, anyone can become a millionaire. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, have a good one, guys.